In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use labels in Jira. Whether you're managing projects or organizing tasks, using labels effectively can help streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Labels are handy tools in Jira that let you categorize and filter issues efficiently. Now, let's dive right in and go through the steps on how to create and use these labels. First up, you'll want to open Jira. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to your Jira homepage. This is where we'll start our journey into the world of labels. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, locate and click on the Spaces or Project tab. This tab serves as your gateway to all the projects you're a part of. If you're handling multiple projects, it's a great way to switch between them and get to the one where you'd like to manage labels. Clicking on the project takes you directly to its main board. Now, direct your attention to the Board tab. Click on it, and it will take you to the board view of your project. This board is a visual representation of your workflow, showing you all tasks and issues organized by status. It's an indispensable tool for tracking progress and managing tasks. In the board view, identify and click on the specific issue you want to work with. This step is essential because labels are attached to individual issues, allowing you to sort and categorize them later on. Once you've clicked on an issue, a detailed view will open up, displaying all sorts of information related to it. On the right side of this detailed view, you'll find a panel aptly named the Details tab. In this section, locate the Labels field. This is where the magic happens. Labels can be entered in this field, and they'll help you categorize this particular issue according to your preference. Labels are flexible and can be customized to suit the unique needs of your project. To add a label, click on the Labels field and type in the label you want to associate with the issue. You could enter something as straightforward as urgent, or you might use a project-specific term like client feedback. The choice is entirely up to you and the requirements of your project. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to create and use labels in Jira. By assigning labels to issues, you enhance your ability to filter tasks and focus on what's most important. This practice can significantly improve your project management skills and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Feel free to explore and experiment with different labeling strategies to find what works best for your team. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.